everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make Chikuzen-Ni. Chikuzen-Ni is also popular food in Japan. It is kind of traditional Japanese food. It's chicken and lots of konsai, which is the root vegetables. And I will show you how to make it today. Cut gobo same size and same way as carrot. And before that, I just roughly distress outside of skin, but don't take lots of skin out because they have pretty good nutrition out there. And used to be Japanese people put after cut gobo in the water, but now they're saying don't do that because that way you can taste better gobo flavor. If you are going to use only half of the konjac, don't throw that water in the back out that water and put konjac in the water. I'm tearing konjac here. This is better way to simmer konjac. This way more flavor get into the konjac. And the size is same size as other ingredients. Konjac has little smell, so it's better to treat konjac before cook. There are a couple different ways to treat konjac. This time I boil. Bought one chicken thigh here, but this is with bone, so I have to take off bone. And I cut same size as other ingredients. I freeze mushrooms. There are benefits if you freeze mushrooms. First, you can keep it longer. The second, taste and nutrition getting better. the way, I put lotus root on the ingredients list, but I didn't use for this video because I couldn't find and I couldn't buy it. Chikuzen-Ni has usually have lotus root. So if you could find lotus root, peel and cut as same as other vegetables and put in the water for 1 to 2 minutes. Then drain the water and cook it with other vegetables. And do not put soy sauce here yet. Put otoshibuta here and cook until all vegetables are softened. And don't forget to take off the skin. When all the vegetable becomes soft, add the soy sauce. And cook until all sauce are almost gone. The liquid is almost gone, so add the paprika. At this time, add something green, make this dish more colorful. I put frozen edamame. I hope you enjoyed my video today and hopefully you learned something new. If you like my video, please thumbs up or subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time soon.